I'm a bit excited. The first proof of the special edition of the Hare of the Moon has just arrived. Do you want to open it with me? It's very exciting. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at the size of it. This is a proper size. Oh my gosh. Let's look inside. Oh, I love it. Let's see if we can find a picture. We've got some nice pictures. Oh, so pretty. Look. Oh, look at the colours. Let me show you. Look, let's find a really good one for you. Oh, look, this is how it's meant to be. Oh, I can't wait for you to see this. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've got some gorgeous, look, we've got some lovely colouring pages in the back for your kids to do. We've got some exercises for them to work through. Look at the little hare on the bottom of the page. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. It's here. It's finally here. So listen, release date coming very, very soon. You can have this in your hands. So exciting.